movers and shakers of the day. Vivek, over to you.
Well, good afternoon. Very good session. Like you mentioned, the damage from Kotak was largely balanced by the other banks. So one of the banks that actually helped offset the pain there was Axis Bank. Very strong set of numbers. Stock ended high by 6%. The other stock on the radar from the broader end of the market, Hitachi Energy, not a stock we discuss too often. Recently, there was a note from Goldman Sachs, indicating a buy rating. There's strong commentary coming in from the global parent as well. And on the back of that, Hitachi Energy India, that is the stock that you're talking about. That stock spiked in the trading session, up over 13%. The third stock on our radar today is Godfrey Phillips. Godfrey Phillips, again, ended as the second top gainer as far as the NSE 500 is concerned. Channel checks indicate that some of the newer packs that the company have launched are seeing significant traction, and on the back of that, that particular stock up almost 10% on very good volumes. The fourth stock was MCX. Yesterday, one of the top laggards. Earnings in terms of the options volumes missed expectations, but today, the stock completely recovering from that and ending high by over 8%. The fourth stock, of course, is Neogen Chemicals. Today, Kotak Institutional Equities initiated coverage on the stock. They are very, very positive in terms of the company being one of the sole suppliers as far as the EV value chain is concerned. The stock higher by 12% today. And lastly, Bharat Forge, very, very strong move, a double upgrade from BofA Securities, aiding the up move in this particular name. But on the other hand, when it comes to the losing pack, you cannot skip Kotak Mahindra Bank, down over 10%. RBI action, something that saw the sell-off. Dalmia Bharat was the next stock, EBITDA coming in much lower than what, the CNBC-TV18 poll was. And also commentary was quite weak in terms of pricing recovery was concerned, being pushed out almost to the second half of FY25. And lastly, Indian Hotels, very strong set of numbers, but despite that, the stocks saw quite a bit of a sell-off. Quite a few analysts have gone ahead and downgraded the stock. They believe at this expensive valuations, there is limited upside left.
Okay, all right. Thanks a lot for that, Vivek. Well, let's get in our experts.